Hello and welcome to Little Learners Education. This week we're learning about the letter sound U. So today we're going to go step by step through how to make this quick and easy, delicious lemon brownies with your toddler. To make lemon brownies, you will need a mixing bowl and a spoon, 3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Squeeze the lemon for the fresh lemon juice, 2 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a spoon and a fork, 2 tin pans or 1 large pan which is 8 inch by 8 inch. For the lemon glaze you will need a mixing bowl and a spoon, 3/4 cup of icing sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. So the first thing we're going to do is place the butter into the bowl. Then pour in the sugar. Then add the lemon zest. And then mix it all up till it is light and fluffy. Then pour in the eggs. And add the lemon juice. Then add the baking powder. Give it another mix. And then add in the flour. Give it another mix. Then it's time to place the mixture into the pan. Once ready, place the pans into the oven at 160 degrees fan assisted for 20 to 25 minutes. Once baked, allow the lemon brownies to cool and then it is time to make the lemon glaze. To make the glaze, pour in the icing sugar into the bowl. Pour in the lemon juice, add the lemon zest, and then add the vanilla essence. Mix it up together. Then it's time to glaze the brownies.